nice sharks. There's several more, but I guess they got bored with me. There's a dolphin. Dolphins and sharks. Looks like my lens is dirty, but I don't know. Pretty nice sharks. The dolphin. Got any over there? Any sharks? That's a nice one right there. That's, man, I don't even know. It's not a bull shark. That's a black tip. It's like one of the bigger ones you're ever going to see. I think it's a small bull shark. That's what it is. That's a bull shark. Got a wide nose. Black tip's pointy nose. That's a bull shark. Maybe they showed back up. We had some monster bull sharks last year. A little better. Yeah, that's a bull shark. Wide nose. Not a giant one by no means, but it's a decent sized shark. My lights are flickering there. There's some smaller species with him too. He comes back up. There's the dolphin. What you doing, big boy? We had some true monsters around the boat last year. Everybody out of the way. Saw something, he took off. Any over there at all? They just like this side, I guess. Standing by. Few boats around. Gotta get it. Standing by.